Your car engine is like the heart of your vehicle. If you take care of it, it will last for many years. But small mistakes can slowly damage the engine without you noticing. Here are some common mistakes that slowly destroy your engine and how they harm it. Engine oil keeps all engine parts smooth and cool. When you don't change oil on time, it becomes dirty and thick. This causes more friction inside the engine and leads to serious damage over time. Low oil means less protection for engine parts. Metal parts start rubbing against each other. This creates heat and wear, which can destroy the engine very slowly. Driving with low engine oil reduces lubrication, causing engine parts to rub and wear faster. It leads to higher engine temperatures and possible overheating. Prolonged driving can cause severe engine damage or complete failure. Every engine needs a specific oil type to function properly. Using the wrong oil can reduce lubrication and increase friction, even if problems do not appear immediately. Over time, this leads to higher engine temperatures and increased wear on engine parts. Eventually, it can shorten engine life and result in costly repairs or complete engine failure. Driving with a hot engine can cause serious damage to the vehicle. Overheating may bend engine components and damage gaskets, leading to costly repairs. To prevent severe engine failure, always stop driving and check the engine when the temperature rises. Hard acceleration puts extra pressure on the engine. Doing this regularly causes engine parts to wear out faster and reduces the overall engine life. It also increases fuel consumption and engine temperature. Over time, this can lead to poor performance and expensive repairs. Bad fuel can contain dirt and water, which can damage fuel injectors and cause poor combustion. This reduces engine performance and efficiency. Over time, consistently using bad fuel can lead to serious engine damage and costly repairs. Only driving short distances prevents the engine from fully warming up, leading to moisture buildup and dirty oil. Over time, this can slowly damage engine components and reduce overall engine life. Regular servicing helps detect small problems early, keeping the engine in good condition. Skipping maintenance allows hidden problems to worsen, which can cause serious engine damage over time. Consistent care also improves performance and extends the engine's lifespan. Skipping warm-up in cold weather causes the engine oil to remain thick and flow poorly. This increases friction between engine parts and leads to faster wear. Repeated cold starts without warm-up can slowly shorten engine life. By avoiding these habits and taking proper care, you can keep your engine strong, smooth, and reliable for many years.